SUAPP AIR Creative Editing. Creative editing lets you achieve precise renderings using prompts words. One-click day-to-night conversion. One-click change of building angles. One-click floor plan coloring. One-click material updates. All of these can be done with creative editing. Open SUAPP AIR. Import your image. If it's a model, click Snapshot. Enter your prompt in the prompt box. Not sure what to type? Click the preset button on the right of the input box. There are preset prompt words. Clicking one will automatically enable creative editing. You can also write other words. No need to adjust other settings. Make sure creative editing is enabled. Click Create. In just a few seconds, the result is ready. Is this the result you wanted? The applications of creative editing are vast. Precise rendering, day-to-night conversion, angle adjustments, material changes. All are possible with creative editing. Try different prompts and explore its full potential. Get started now.